Hey, so I committed a sin against computers and turned a graphics card into a soldering fume extractor. The first thing I had to do was take it all apart and have a look at the fans. They said 12 volts, but I tested it on a 5 volt portable phone charger. Everything worked fine, so I soldered the fans together, double checked everything worked, and reassembled it. Now, I thought it would be cool to keep the look of the graphics card as much as possible, so I moved over this connector plate thing. After some very precise bending and filing, it was down to size and I could plan the layout. Now this is where I lost all footage of prototyping and soldering together the speed controller circuit, probably for the best because it got quite tedious, but I'll give a summary using a very similar circuit that I'd done for another project. So in the middle we have a 555 timer acting as a signal generator. The potentiometers will control the signal produced by the timer. The MOSFET will act as a current booster, otherwise the 555 timer will melt, and all of this is powered by a 9 volt battery. In the circuit I just showed we had two potentiometers. One of them controlled the frequency of the signal, we don't care about that one. The other one controlled the ratio of on time to off time. The more on time we have, the more power goes to the fan and the faster it spins. Okay, so getting back to the original project now. We have the speed controller's potentiometer poking out the side with a power switch to turn it on and off. And unfortunately that's all the footage I have of the circuit. Oh, and we should probably have something to catch the fumes, so I found this totally non-carbon filter mesh that came with a keyboard and it looks like a filter. So I got that cut down to size and you can see my amazing planning here of how the battery sticks out. It's a feature. I'll just let you listen to the sound of the motors here. And here's the final product. This is a test without the fans on, and you can see the fumes going everywhere. If I turn the fans on, oh, it is beautiful. I also feel the need to say I made this a year ago and I have never used it once. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.